Hello everyone, and here I am to show you how to put together this bunch, which is part of our Transformation Station series, where I'm showing you how to get the very most of your flowers, and you can check out my videos on that in your account page. In this arrangement, we have some beautiful Rosano Charlotte blooms, actually named after Princess Charlotte of the royal family. Then we have some beautiful crunchy statice, which dries extremely well, and you can take it out of your arrangement and leave it forever and it will dry and look beautiful. You can hang it upside down if you want. For the first time this year, some spiky phlox. They may not look a lot on arrival, but they will pop open and look fantastic. Tall but fragile Lisianthus, a pop of irises with the lovely blue matching the nice blue of the statice. Finishing it off, some very fragrant Eucalyptus parvifolia. Absolutely lovely. Always remember your flower care. You've got to snip an inch off the end of all your stems. You've got to use room temperature water, fill your vase about a third full, and use your flower food. To arrange, I'm going to start with our 3 glorious blooms and put them evenly around the edge of the vase. Now I'm going to take my statice and face it opposite each other, still resting on the edge of the vase. And I'm going to do the same with my phlox, creating a square with the statice. And what we've done now is created a lovely structural grid in the middle of the vase for our other flowers to stand upright in. And we can do that very easily with our lovely Lisianthus, spearing it together like that, looking over the top, and in it goes. And doesn't it stand up easily? Now I can do the same with my irises on either side of the Lisianthus. They'll pop open after about 3 days. To finish, the Eucalyptus parvifolia tucked over the edge, and then you can pull its branches out and through the other flowers like so. And there we have it, a very calming arrangement with lovely soft pastel colours that are perfect for springtime. So I really hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.